dati nagbabatukan lang tayo sa school. Nanghihingi ka ng candy. Kahit 3 piraso lang yon, 2 pa yung napupunta sa'yo.
Took the morning ride, found a place up in my mind no one else can see. Maybe it's fate that we can control. Around and around it goes. And all that we seem to know, we just gotta let it go. We just gotta let it go.
Pasimula pa lang tayo, patapos na yung energy ko.
Coming home to you. You're all I need, the very air I breathe. You are. Oh, 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 oh.
Uy, wala.
So many questions.
Gabi, may surprise ako sa'yo.
Ito na! I found a way home.
Yabi, if you told me the grade 6 version of me na ikaw palang mapapangasawa ko, walang maniniwala.
I found a way home. So I'm coming home to you. You're all I need, the very air I breathe. You are home.
I promise to be your home, your peace, and your greatest supporter. Grade 6 buddies, high school besties, longtime friends, and now, finally, my husband.
Up until now, hindi pa rin ako makapaniwala na sa oras na to, nakatayo tayo sa harap mo, starting a big part of our lives. One that would seal us together as one.
For a long time, magkaiba ang tinahak nating landas. Pero looking at you now, I see God's perfect timing. You are my tangible proof of His grace sa mundong madalas maingay at magulo.
I always had this feeling with you na sobrang komportable ako sa'yo. There's this something I couldn't explain before nung mga bata pa tayo. Pero lagi ko lang iniisip, hindi, tropa ko lang yan. Body-body lang kami nento. But look at us now, that gut feeling was right this whole time.
Ay mama pa, ikaw ang dulot, gitna't simula, nahanap din kita.
Through the miles, through the waiting, and through the longing, palagi pa rin kitang pipiliin.
And huwag ka mag-alala, hindi ko makakalimutan ng isa sa mga inaantay mong pangako ko sa'yo. Yun ang huwag akong magsawang kamutan ka sa likod. Paa, kamay, sa lahat-lahat sa tuwing magkasama tayo. Pero higit sa lahat, I vow to be a responsible, loyal, loving husband, and future father to our family.
Awat kanan at kaliwan, kung di mo man o hinata ang bawat daan ko ay patungo, ay pabalik sa'yo. Kay tagal nang lumulutang, walang pupuntahan, walang dahilan. Parang ulap na walang dalang ulan, kamang walang kumot at tunay.
Body-body kami niyan. Dati nagre-wrestling kami. Yung ano mo pa, yung apelido mo, papamigay ko na.
Panglalakbay, ngunit nahanap din kita. Nahanap kita. Maligaw man at mawalan at umikot man sa kawalan, dahil sa bawat kailan, sino't saan, ikaw lamang ang kasagutan. Bawat kanan, kaliban, tibag man.
I love you so much, Mahal. This is a happy ending of us being girlfriend and boyfriend, and a very exciting beginning for us as a husband and wife. Happy anniversary.
Babalik sa'yo. Sa iyo.
I will always thank God for you and the future we will share together. I loved you then as my friend. I love you now as my husband. And I will love you beyond everything else. Happy anniversary to us. I love you so much.